The US-China trade war is a major economic conflict between the United States and China that began in 2018. The conflict has had a significant impact on global trade and economics, and it is still ongoing. In this video, we will discuss the causes of the US-China trade war, its effects on global trade and economics, and the potential outcomes of the conflict. Causes of the US-China trade war. There are a number of factors that have contributed to the US-China trade war. These include the growing economic power of China. China has become a major economic power in recent years, and its economic growth has been faster than that of the United States. This has led to concerns in the United States that China is becoming an economic threat. The US-China trade imbalance. The United States has a large trade deficit with China. This means that the United States imports more goods from China than it exports to China. This has led to concerns in the United States that China is taking jobs away from American workers. Intellectual property theft. The United States has accused China of stealing intellectual property from American companies. This has led to concerns in the United States that China is not playing fair in the global economy. Effects of the US-China trade war. The US-China trade war has had a significant impact on global trade and economics. Some of the effects of the conflict include increased tariffs. The United States and China have imposed tariffs on billions of dollars worth of goods. This has raised prices for consumers and businesses in both countries. Reduced trade. The trade war has led to a decline in trade between the United States and China. This has hurt businesses in both countries. Economic uncertainty. The trade war has created economic uncertainty for businesses and investors around the world. This has made it more difficult for businesses to plan for the future. Potential outcomes of the US-China trade war. The US-China trade war is still ongoing, and it is unclear how it will be resolved. Some potential outcomes of the conflict include a negotiated settlement. The United States and China could reach a negotiated settlement that would reduce or eliminate tariffs and increase trade between the two countries. A continued trade war. The United States and China could continue to impose tariffs on each other's goods. This would further damage trade and the global economy. A broader conflict. The trade war could escalate into a broader conflict between the United States and China. This could have a devastating impact on global security and the global economy. The US-China trade war is a major economic conflict that has had a significant impact on global trade and economics. The conflict is still ongoing, and it is unclear how it will be resolved. The potential outcomes of the conflict include a negotiated settlement, a continued trade war, or a broader conflict. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on the US-China trade war. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on economics and global affairs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, thanks for watching.